Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond, addressing the common question about the Citra emulator. It's important to know that Pokémon Brilliant Diamond is a Nintendo Switch title, while Citra is specifically built for Nintendo 3DS games. This means you cannot directly play Brilliant Diamond using Citra. To enjoy this game, you will need a dedicated Nintendo Switch emulator instead. Since Citra is not the right tool, your next step is to choose a suitable Nintendo Switch emulator. There are several excellent options available that allow you to play Switch games on your personal computer. Before downloading, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. Generally, you will need a powerful processor, a capable graphics card, and at least 8 GB of system memory for a smooth experience. Once you have selected your emulator, the setup process begins. First, download the emulator from its official source. Next, you will need to acquire specific system files, such as firmware and product keys, which are vital for game decryption. Then, legally obtain your Pokémon Brilliant Diamond game files, typically in XCI or NSB format. Finally, place these files into the designated folders within your emulator's directory structure. With your emulator set up, it is time to optimize for the best gameplay. Dive into the settings to configure graphics, adjusting resolution and other visual enhancements to suit your computer's capabilities. For an authentic experience, connect a compatible controller, mapping the buttons as you prefer. You can also install game updates or explore community-made modifications to unlock new features and further enhance your Pokémon adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.